Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to dilute oregano oil. Oregano oil is incredibly potent, so it's crucial to dilute it properly before applying it to your skin or ingesting it. This ensures you harness its benefits without causing irritation or discomfort. We'll cover the essential steps, from choosing the right carrier oil to understanding safe dilution ratios, making sure you can use this powerful essential oil effectively and safely in your daily routine. Let's get started. Selecting the right carrier oil is your next important step. Popular choices include olive oil, coconut oil, and jojoba oil, all excellent for blending. A good starting point for dilution is 1 drop of oregano oil to 3 drops of your chosen carrier oil. If you have sensitive skin or are new to oregano oil, consider a more conservative ratio, such as 1:5 or even 1:10, to ensure comfort and safety. Before applying diluted oregano oil more broadly, always perform a patch test on a small, inconspicuous area of your skin. Wait 24 hours to check for any adverse reactions. Once clear, you can apply the diluted mixture to the intended area, being careful to avoid very sensitive regions like eyes or mucous membranes. Remember, never use undiluted oregano oil directly on your skin or ingest it without proper dilution. Proper storage is key to maintaining the potency and shelf life of your diluted oregano oil. Always store your mixture in a dark glass bottle, which helps protect it from light degradation. Keep it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and heat, to preserve its beneficial properties for longer. Also, for a fresh car scent, check out the link in the description for Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.